Growing up on a farm and working on the farm equipment and machinery is really what got me into wanting to go into the automotive field. I knew I wanted to go to a trade school, but I wasn't sure which one or where to even start looking. And a teacher of mine actually went to Thaddeus Stevens and recommended it to me. Thaddeus Stevens had an open house, and I went and sat in on the open house and took a tour of the campus. The thing that I enjoyed the most about Thaddeus Stevens was the hands-on shop time in my automotive technology class. The teachers we had were great, and you learned things that you just couldn't learn anywhere else. I graduated from Thaddeus Stevens in May of 2013 with my associate's degree in automotive technology, and I was hired and started working here at Air Products in October. I definitely apply what I learned at Thaddeus Stevens here at work at Air Products. Everything I do that we learned on cars, I do the same thing here on a daily basis. Air Products is a large company. We have plants worldwide. We do mainly gases. We separate the air around you into the base gases, oxygen, nitrogen, argon. At the Lancaster facility, we have approximately 30 trucks that deliver the gases that we're responsible for the maintenance on. As a fleet mechanic at Air Products, it's my job to do all of the maintenance on all of the tractors and trailers that we have at the Lancaster facility and make sure that the drivers can make it to deliver and make it back. The best part about working in the automotive technology field is there's always something new. Usually it's not the same thing day after day. Every day something new happens and there's something new that has to be fixed, and that's what I enjoy about it. My automotive technology degree from Thaddeus Stevens and my salary from Air Products have helped me a lot. I'm currently saving up to buy a house and have my own apartment now, and I'm not hurting when it comes to that aspect. I picture myself staying with Air Products for a long time. I don't see myself going anywhere else.